Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I will show you how to add or remove people from Instagram group. Undoubtedly, there can be a situation that you want to include the new people or remove the old participants from your Instagram group. Follow these steps and you will know how to do it. Go to your Instagram home tab and hit the paper airplane icon in the top right corner of your screen. Once the messages inbox will open, click on the group where you want to add or remove people. Tap the information icon in the upper right corner of your screen. If you want to add people to your group, then hit Add People and start typing the names of users you want to insert. If you want to remove the users from your group, in this case, click on the three dots icon next to the person's name and select Remove from Group. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to add or remove people from your Instagram group. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.